Students, in this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the goodwill in a business combination which is covered by IFRS3 and to work out the intangible asset which is covered by IAS38, which is the goodwill. So the question is, A Limited in this question is acquiring B Limited for the price of 500,000. The statement of financial position just before the acquisition is given to us. Over here at the bottom, the fair value of the assets, liabilities of B Limited as at 1st of January 2023 were agreed: property, inventory, receivables, and current assets, current liabilities. Calculate the amount paid by A Limited for the goodwill. So the first thing which I'm going to work out is the goodwill. Right, so the amount paid is 500,000. And when we are paying a significant amount to buy an asset, buying a company, we are usually paying something more than the value of the assets, and the extra amount is the goodwill, which is the repetition. So the company we are buying is not just selling us the asset, they are also selling us their repetition, so we have to pay some extra amount for the repetition, and that is the goodwill. This is what we are going to calculate first. The fair value of assets, which is 390,000. The fair value of inventory, which is 160,000. The trade receivables, 80,000, less the liabilities, which is 180,000. Now working out the net assets, the assets minus liabilities, it will be 450,000. And the goodwill will be £50,000. So A Limited has paid 500,000 and they are buying the assets worth 450,000, the net assets. So the extra 50,000 is the goodwill which they are buying. This goodwill needs to be recorded in the statement of financial position. Now we have to prepare the statement of financial position. So over here I'm going to prepare the statement of financial position. Of A Limited. So the first amount figure that will appear is the assets, non-current assets. So we will take the non-current assets of the parent company, PPE, which is 4,320. Well, 4,320,000 plus the 390,000 for the B Limited, the subsidiary company, 390, and the total is 4710. Next, I have to record the goodwill, which we have recorded or calculated earlier, which is 50,000. So altogether 4760. Then I have to calculate the current assets, the inventory, which is 1210 for the parent, receivable 940, cash for the parent 1650. Now I also have to add the inventory of the subsidiary company. So the subsidiary company's inventory is 160. So let's record that. Next, we have to add the receivables of the subsidiary company, which is 80,000. So let's add 80,000. Then the cash. The parent company has paid 500,000 pounds cash, and that needs to be subtracted from the cash balance. So the existing balance before the combination, the cash balance of the parent company A Limited was 1650, and then they paid 500,000 to buy B Limited, so therefore we have to subtract 500,000 out of 1650, and the figures are 1370 for the inventory, receivables will be 1020, and the cash balance will be 1150. Altogether 3540. Now non-current assets plus the current assets are equal to 8,300. Next, I need to record the capital, which is the equity. The capital of the parent company parent only is 1,000. Retained earnings of parent only, which is 3650. And then the liabilities. Now notice that capital figure is coming from the statement of financial position of parent, and the retained earnings is also coming from the statement of financial position of A Limited. Next, we have to record the liabilities of parent first. So non-current liabilities of parent is 2,500. Non-current liability 2500, and current liabilities of the parent company is 970 plus 180 for the subsidiary. So if we go up, you can see 970 is for the parent and 180 is for the subsidiary. Adding these two figures together, it's 1150. Now adding all the capital and the liabilities, the total is 8,300, which is same as all the assets. So in this question you have seen that how I have calculated the goodwill, and goodwill is actually the extra amount we have paid in order to buy any company. We are not just buying their assets and liabilities, we pay extra amount, which is the goodwill. and then I showed you how to recognize this in the statement of financial position of A Limited. Thank you.